made these? Who made them? I'm gonna shake my earrings so you can... Okay. Let's open this very fairy jewelry jar. Look at that. I need that. And I need this on me for this look right now. I had an extremely chaotic video of me unboxing this, and oh my gosh, guys, it is literally breaking. I'm so scared to open this. I can't lie. I'm so nervous. Like, this is gonna burst open. Glass everywhere. Oh my gosh. I'm so scared right now. Can you see the fear in my eyes? Okay. Okay, got the top off. Okay, this side I would wear. This side I wouldn't wear. Whatever I wouldn't wear, and possibly stuff I would wear if you're interested, is going to be on my Depop, and link is in my bio. Okay, these are freaking cool. Yes, I would wear. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them, but I would definitely wear these for a specific look. Can't wait. Everything is so chaotic today. Yeah. This is the prettiest bracelet I've ever seen. Okay, I'm obsessed. Yes, I would wear. I'm gonna wear it right now. Right the fuck now. Okay. These earrings, gorgeous. Sparkly, a little bit of a blue tint to them. Yes, I would wear. This bracelet, I'm pretty sure it has a clasp on it. It better. That's gorgeous. Yes, I would wear. This. Are you kidding me? I'm scared to move that. Yeah. Yeah, I would wear. These. Yes, I would wear. I'm sitting in a very uncomfortable position right now. Or maybe it's just my corset. Okay, goodness gracious. This. Do I have to say anything? Yeah, I'll wear it. For sure. Green stones? Oh my. I get so excited. Yeah, that matches what I'm wearing right now. Okay. This really cool necklace that would be cool for a stack. I don't know if I would wear it, so I'm gonna put it over here, but it is cool. This big beaded necklace. Okay. It goes in like this, guys. This is very vintage, I can tell, because of the way that clasped. That's really cool. I would not wear it personally, but it is very pretty. Okay. This. Yes, I love this. Wait. I don't know why that. Oh wait, that's the back. That's why. Okay, let's just keep her on. She's cute. Okay. Okay, I have to keep moving the jar to show you guys, but this is a really long, looks like it has like a little buckle feature. I don't know if it can unbuckle, but it's not my style. Okay, you guys, I'm scared because this jar is about to snap. Okay. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Okay, yes, I would wear this gorgeous goddess-like bracelet. Monkey. It does go tighter on you. Yes, I would wear. Another one. I like it. Yes, I would wear. Okay. This jar. What? What? Yes, I'd wear. Oh my gosh, I was so excited about this. What the hell is going on today? Who made these? Who made them? Okay, I'm gonna put her on the other one. Okay. Okay, this is too big for me. It's cool though. Not ours. Am I dreaming? Oh. What is going on? Oh my gosh, this jar is about to... I'm so scared. Remember how broken this is? I'm scared. No, I would not wear this. This, I don't know what this is. Keychain? I would not wear. I think this is a pin. It is pretty. Would not wear this. I think I hear this vase snapping even more. Oh my gosh. Ooh. She's cute. She's unique. I would not wear her, but she is a statement piece and a pretty one at that. Okay. Another ring. This ring is too big for me. It's really cool though. Like it can't even stretch bigger. That's really cool. This is really cute and unique. Yes, I would wear. What is going on? What is going on? Oh my gosh. Yes, two-toned necklace. It's long. You could double it. It is very unique. It is cool. It would look cool right now with this outfit. Yes, I would wear. Unfortunately, I'm running out of time. So you're going to have to go to part 4. See ya.